Coastal Karnataka, on the southwest coast of India, for generations has nurtured icons within hospitality and industries. Kundapura, a small town within this region where Kunda means pillar and Pura means town, is home to Gurukula Public School. Gurukula School is spread over 40 acres with 70% green cover and has made sustained efforts across solar energy, waste management, water harvesting, organic plantations, 400 types of medicinal plants, a bird sanctuary and butterfly gardens. Gurukula is a CBSE school with classes across Montessori, high school and UG school, including separate hostel facility to accommodate boys and girls. With a focus on all-round development of students from academics, equal importance is also given to activities like dance, skating, basketball. Gurukula focuses on a 360-degree holistic learning with efforts extending towards students, teachers and even parents. Gurukula Public School, nurturing global leaders for a new world.
Hello children. Okay. Do you remember last time what we have learned? Yes. We were studying the first lesson, learning large numbers. Okay. So let us continue with the same lesson. Before we go to the new topic, let me revise the topics which are taught before with the exercise. Okay, so you have to start writing. You have to work out the sums or exercise what is given in the textbook. Let me guide you how to start with the notes. Okay, please take a book of single line. Single line book is given to you. Please take a book. In the first page you have index page. Okay, there you have to, there is a column called serial number. Okay, let me write it a little bigger. You have a column called serial number. Then you have a column called date. Then you have a column called lesson name and number. Then of course you have page number, teacher's sign. So if you don't have an index page, please draw this page. It is compulsory. Okay, this should come in your notes as first page. You have serial number. There you can write lesson number 1. Date, you write today's date. That is when you write the lesson, that same date you have to write here. It shows that this day that lesson notes was started. Then write name of the lesson, learning large numbers. Page number you can skip because you have to give page number for the notes, that you need not bother. Then teacher's sign. I will be correcting the book and signing there. When I correct the book, I will sign. When you come back to school, it will be done. So it must be maintained. This index page must be maintained. Yes. Please take down this. Now, let us go to the lesson part. Exercise. First, open a new page. Write name of the lesson and date. in the left hand corner date. First thing, very important, every day when you write exercise, every time when you write exercise, you open your classwork, first thing write date, that day's date. Then when you start a lesson, write name of the lesson above the margin, above the red line. This you have to follow for every new lesson. Date, every date is compulsory. Name of the lesson when a new lesson starts. It should be above the margin. Yes. Have you all completed? Now come to the first line. Let us start with the exercise. Okay, I hope you all have your textbooks. You can open page number 69. Open page number 69. Page number I will be writing here. So you observe every time page number will be here. Page 69. It is exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1. Yes. First question says, represent, just see your textbook, it is there in your textbook, you have to copy that. Represent the following numbers in abacus. This is the question. Represent the following numbers in abacus. What is this? I think you have learned about abacus. It is a place value stand, or it is a stand which has a different place values. That is, it shows the places. That is, for example, you have learned last class 10,000, 1,000, hundreds, tens and ones. You will have sticks like this. This is an abacus stand. You have to draw this, and number is 24,619. This is there in your textbook. Copy it in classwork. One sum I will do, second sum you have to do it in your classwork. Okay? You have to complete this on your own. Second number is 3,45,679. Yes. Now, first sum I will explain how to do. Here you have 24,619. See the ones place 9. So you have to draw 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 beads. 1 in tens place. 1. 6 in hundreds place. 4 in thousands place. 2 in 10,000s place. This is all what you have to do. So, same thing you have to do for second number. But here you will have 6 stands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. So this is the stand. Now it is your work to complete this. Same way you have to do this. This should be written in your classwork neatly. Now after every main, you have to draw a sleeping line. Draw a sleeping line. Notes should be very neat. It is very compulsory to keep notes neat. Okay? Yes. Now, take down this. Second sum is your work. Complete this. Then go to second main. Yes. Have you completed first main? Come to second main. What does the second main say? See your textbook, page 69. Second main. Write the following in numerals. What does it mean? Write the following in numerals. Numerals means numbers. The question is given in words. You have to write in numbers. I told you how to write number name, correct? You have learnt up to 1000. You have to learn one more number name, lakh. I have told you how to read the number. That is given here. You have to write in number. Okay? Take down. I will be writing 2 for you. Okay? Or first one. Second and third you have to write. Fourth one I will write. Fifth one you have to write. Okay? So let us start. Write neatly. Draw line after first main. Go to second main. Let us start. First one. It is 35,000 446. This is the number. 35,446. Remember, when you read the number and start writing, you have to keep in mind what number you are reading and what place it is. Okay? Then you have to write. Because if in any place any number is not there, you have to put a 0. Let us start. 35,000. That is 10,000 place 3, thousands place 5. Okay? And you know there is a comma after this. 446. This is the answer. Yes. Have you done this? Okay, I hope you know how to write. 35,446. Go to second one. This is your work now. Second one and third one is your work. Second one and third one is your work. I will read it out for you. 47,352. Write down. Let me see. Write down quickly. Yes, did you write? Write down. Yes. Check your answer now. 47,352. Got it? Yes? Is it correct? Yes. Third one. Again. Write down the question. Quickly. $65,000. 207. Write the answer. Is it done? Yes, you have to write the answer. Then check with my answer. 65,207. See, 10,000 place 6, thousands place 5, hundreds place 2. Put a comma after 1000. Now tens place, is there anything? Nothing. So 0. Ones place 7. You should take care of this, okay? Yes. Next one. This I think one let me do. It is 6 digits. Yes, let me read out. Anybody who knows can write, others just listen. 5 lakh 3,237. 5 lakh. So lakh place you write 5. 10,000 place. Anything is there? No. So 0. 3,237. So just read the number twice. Read the statement twice. Then you can write the number. So just read it like this. 5 lakh. Okay, lakh place 5 comes. Lakh is always 6 digits. So 6th digit you put a comma before 6th digit. Then 3,000 is given. Where is 10,000 place? Not there. So write 0. 3,000 you write in thousands place. 200 you write in hundreds place. And 37 you write in tens and ones place. Okay. Last one. I think you can try this. Don't write after I write. You try it on your own. Then you check with my answer. Yes, let me read it out. You write the answer. 8 lakh 4,960. 8 lakh. Lakhs place you write 8. 4,000. Where is 10,000 place? Nothing. So write 0. 4,000. Then hundreds place 9. Then and 60. 60 means tens place is there 6. Where is ones place? Nothing. So write 0. Is it clear? Okay. This is there in your textbook. Questions are there. Copy that. Write the answers. Second main is over. Draw a sleeping line. Yes? Now, let us go to third main. Okay? Question is there in your textbook. Page number changes. It is page number 70. Page number 70. Go to page 70. Write down the main. Third main. Write the number names of the following numbers. Also represent the numbers on an abacus in your notebook. I think representing on abacus you can do. Number names, let us try to write. Okay. Yes. Write down the main question quickly. Yes. Third main. Write the textbook, it is page 70, third main. Write the number names of the following numbers. Also represent the numbers on an abacus in your notebook. Okay. So write down this question. This question says you have to write the number name and also represent the numbers on an abacus. Okay. So first number is 34,528. Yes. To write number name, you should know the spellings of number names. I hope up to 1000 you know. Only new name is lakh. So that spelling you have to learn. L-A-K-H. Only one thing is new. Okay, other number names you know before. If you have forgotten, revise the number names. Okay? Yes. Read this number now. I have taught you in the last class to read it. It is 34,528. So just write in the same way. 34,528. So this is how you write the number name. 34,528. Now this number you have to draw on an abacus stand. After you write the number name like this, children, below you draw a stand. It is 5 digits. So draw 5 lines and write the place here. 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones. When you do this, after you do this, you have to draw the numbers. 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is one number I have done. You have to do it in the same way for all other numbers. Let me tell you, there are 4 more numbers there. So you have to do it in the same way for all other 4 numbers. Writing number name and drawing an abacus stand for all other numbers. I think you can do it. I will not do it for you. I want it in your class work when you come back to school. Is it understood? Yes. Okay. So this is an easy part, so I am not doing it for you. You have to do it. 4 more questions are there. Again I am repeating. I want you to write number name of those numbers like this, and abacus stand should be drawn like this for each number. And when you answer each question like A, B, C, you have to draw a sleeping line. It should look very, very neat. Is it understood? Okay. Now let us go to next exercise. It is exercise 1.2. I am writing the page number here. It is in page number 72. Just open page 72, exercise 1.2. Yes. Just to see in that exercise, they have given 2 boxes with Indian system and international system. It is given as you have to see the number given and write it in the other system. Exercise 1.2, first main. Just observe the question. Look at the given tables and answer the following questions. First one, they have given Indian system. Second one, they have given international system. You see both the tables and then you have to compare the number and write it in the other system given. This we have done in the first class, wherein I showed you both the tables and I told you how the name changes according to the system. Okay, so let us start. Write down the heading. Look at the given tables and answer the following questions. Table will not be drawn by me. You have to look into the textbook and answer the question. Okay? Yes. First one, it says, it is given 1 lakh. Just observe in your textbook, children. It is given 1 lakh. Page 72. I hope all are in page 72. Okay. 1 lakh. Now, lakh comes in which system? It comes in Indian system. You have to convert it into international system. They have given there. You have to write in international system. Yes. Tell me how to write in international system. 1 lakh. Where does it come? See in your textbook. 1 lakh. Lakh place, same 6th place. Where does it come in international system? Yes, it comes in 100,000. Is it clear? Lakh comes in 100,000. You just observe in your textbook. So 1 lakh should be written as 100,000. Okay, 1 lakh can be written as 100,000. Now, second one, 200,000. Now, in which system it is told? 200,000. In which system it comes? 100,000 comes in international system. You have to change it to Indian system now. They have given in international system. You have to write it in Indian system. Yes, how do you write in Indian system? Compare both. Where does it come? Yes, 100,000 comes in lakhs place. So, lakhs place it comes. You can write it as 2 lakhs. Yes, you can write it as 2 lakhs. Yes, next one. I hope all wrote first and second one. Now, third one. See the question and read it, children. Write 400,000 in Indian system. Concentrate on that. It is given in words. So, you have to write it like this. Write the question. When you write the question, read and write, children, so that you know how to read the question also. Write 400,000 in Indian system in words. How do you write 400,000 in Indian system in words. Again 100,000 means lakh. So 400,000 is 4 lakh. Is it understood? 4 lakh. Now let us go to next question. Yes, this I think you can answer on your own. Last one I will not write, you have to write it in your classwork. Question is 76,000 in Indian system is same as. Yes, can you tell me? Same as dash in international system. Is there any difference in 10,000 place in international and Indian system? No. In both the systems, it is read in the same way. So, write down that fourth question. I am not going to write that. You have to write it. Fourth question. 76,000 in Indian system is the same as. Yes. Again, 76,000 in international system. Complete this answer, children. I am not writing it. You have to write it. Is it understood? Okay. Let us go to next main. Fourth one to complete it. Then draw a slipping line and go to the next main, that is second main. It says write number name in international system. Take down, write down the question. Write number name in international system. Write the number name. What is number name? Spelling you have to write. Write the number name in international system. I think you remember what is international system. Yes? Okay. So first one, it is 42,762. I am reading it for you when I am writing. 42,762. Please remember, children, up to 10,000 place there is no difference in Indian and international system. That is up to 5 digits. Up to 5 digits no difference, it is same. But when it comes to 6th digit in Indian system it is lakh. In international system it is 100,000. Okay. Whenever you write, you repeat it in your mind. In international system it is 100,000. In Indian system it is lakh. 6th digit only. Up to 5 digits it is same. You need not worry. Okay. So write the number name for this. It is 42,762. This was easy. Now let us go to second one. Second one is 6 digits. Yes, how do you read this in international system? Yes, it is 6 digits. I told you 100,000 comes. Read the number as it is and add 1,000 at the end. I have told you before. So this number is 900. So 900,000. 900,000. Yes. Remaining part is very easy. 749. So this is how you have to write the number name for international system numbers. I think other 3 questions you can do on your own. I'll tell it orally. You can write it. Okay. So third question is 127346. That is, it comes as listen and write. I am not going to write. Listen and write. You have to read it as it is. I told you 127. Just add 1,000 after the number. 127,346. Yes. Next one. 814,372. I'll read it for you. 814. Follow this 814,372. Last one 384,391. You can read it as 384,391. I hope everybody will complete this exercise. Again, after this my name, you have to draw a line. This should be completed. And let us continue with the next topic which I had told you I will do it. That is place value or whatever standard form and all in the next class. Is it okay? Yes. Thank you.